Hi, in this video you will learn how to work with brush tool inside new Supervisely Labeling Toolbox. Let's start. First we need to grab the brush tool. It's located at the toolbar and can be accessed with 8 hotkey. Before doing any annotations, we are required to have an annotation class for the type of shape we are going to work with. So let's create one. Now we are good to go to create our annotation object, but we can change the brush size at the left. Let's annotate our object. Now we can simply use the bucket fill mode of a brush tool to fill this annotation gap, like that. To create a new object, we first need to deselect our currently selected object by pressing Escape. And now we can create a new object of the same class or create a new class in this drop-down menu. We also can zoom in and out of the image using scroll wheel and pan around the image like that using mouse too. Before editing any mask, we first need to select it. We can do it either through the object list on the right, just by clicking on an object, or by grabbing a select figure tool and clicking on our object of interest. Let's say we've made an annotation mistake like this. What we can do is we can hold Shift, and by drawing with the Shift, we remove the area from the mask of our object. Objects that are being created by brush tool can be edited with another mask annotation tools like mask pen tool, for example. Another interesting mode that the brush tool has is called Polygon split. What it basically does, it splits one mask into two different objects, like this. We can simply place some points, like in the Polygon tool. Now we can make a rough segmentation, and now we can select the smaller object that we just created, like this. Now we can max out the opacity by holding Shift and using the scroll wheel. Also, opacity can be tweaked at the annotation settings bar at the top of the screen, as well as some other annotation settings like the displayment of meta information about the object near it and randomizing the figure's instances colors. And just like that, we've got a completely separate object. We can hide it and see that there is nothing below it. That is it for this quick video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.